Spices, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna do a really simple recipe. We are going to be cooking some veggies in the air fryer. There's nothing like fresh vegetables in your air fryer, so let's go spice things up.
Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna preheat my air fryer at 370 for 5 minutes.
And now I'm chopping up my vegetables. Usually I do what's in season or what's on sale, but you can do whatever vegetables that you prefer.
The first thing I'm gonna add is avocado oil. You can use whatever oil you prefer. So now I'm gonna add the seasonings. So I'm gonna add some French herb sea salt, some chili powder, some garlic herb. Toss it together. And then I like my vegetables very flavorful, so I'm just gonna repeat the process and add the seasonings again. And by the way, I forgot to mention that I have a 15% off to FreshJax. These are the seasoning blends I really love and prefer. But anyway, so we're just gonna repeat the process and add more seasonings and then toss it again. So once your air fryer is preheated, you wanna open it up and then spray your pan with cooking spray. And now I'm gonna take all my veggies and just dump them in the pan. And then put the pan back in. And I'm gonna cook at 400 for 15 minutes. Let's take a look. All right, those are looking really good. Now, if you like yours on a little bit of the crispy side, you can go ahead and be done and eat them just like this. These, I'll get a little closer. These you can eat just like this, or you can be like me and I'm going to stir it. And now I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese and just sprinkle it on the top. And this is optional, obviously. Put it back in. And 400 for 5 minutes. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah. Look at all that cheesy goodness. They are done. And you're ready to eat.
We hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or give it a thumbs up. By the way, I want to thank you guys so much for helping us reach 10,000 subscribers on our channel. It's so wonderful, and I appreciate every one of you. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.